100% cotton. Imported. A tough napkin for any meal. Oversized napkins measure 20 x 20 in a set of 6, made of 100% cotton with 0.5 hem. Easy care. 100% cotton, machine wash on gentle cycle, tumble dry low iron if needed. Adds a finishing touch. Small accents like our napkins provide a subtle sophisticated impact to your dining display. Enhance your home. Crafted from quality cotton, our napkins can be set left of charger or fold elegantly placed center of dinnerware for tabletop, sure to impress. Color fast for durability. Get more from your table. Protect the surface of your tabletop from scratches, stains, and burns by using runners, placemats, or tablecloths. DII 100% cotton napkins come in a variety of color sizes, giving you numerous options for your next event or dinner party. These napkins are perfect for parties, fall holidays, dinners, Thanksgiving and more. DII Give Thanks Plaid Napkin Set is a great gift for Christmas, holidays, Mother's Day, dinner parties, birthdays as well. These napkins are 100% cotton and measure 20 by 20. To minimize shrinkage, please follow care instructions. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful tablecloth. I have this tablecloth on a 40-round table in my kitchen. I would have liked it to be at least 2 bigger all the way around, but I made this size work. The colors are so beautiful and are perfect for my kitchen. I also ordered the 70 round, although I would have preferred a 60 round, but because I love the colors so much, I'll make it do. The quality is the best. The hem is perfectly done. I haven't washed it yet though, so we'll see how that works out. Some say it shrinks, and if that's the case, my square one may end up being too small, but my 70 round one may shrink to a size I would prefer. We'll see. But, the fabric and the quality of workmanship is superior.